Today we have another Apple Watch repair. This one actually came with the last broken Apple Watch I bought, so this watch alone only cost me 10 euros. The seller said it was boot looping, but by the time I got it, it wouldn't turn on at all. My first thought is that the no power issue could just be a dead battery, and the boot loop might be caused by a stuck side button. So I'm opening it up to see what's actually wrong. I'm using a heating plate and a 0.1mm metal tool to get inside. These tools are cheap, but opening an Apple Watch is still risky because it's very easy to damage the screen or the flex cables. Alright, we're in. And the inside actually looks clean. There's no obvious water damage like the last time, which is already a good sign.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man.
Let's check the battery voltage. It looks low, and even though it might still work, I'm replacing it anyway since we already have it open, and it should also help the resale value. Now I'm plugging it in, and we've got the charging icon, which is exactly what I wanted to see. I'll let it charge for a bit and see if it comes back to life.
2 days later.
And there we go, it powers on properly. Now I'm testing these side buttons because that could have been the reason for the boot loop in the first place. And everything seems to be working fine. So the main issue here was most likely just the weak battery. Now I just need to seal it back up with fresh adhesive. With Apple Watches, once you open them, it's almost impossible to get the original water resistance back, but I'll still close it up as properly as I can. I sold this watch for 70 euros, so that means I made 60 euros profit on it. You can also watch the other repair videos on the screen.